got the Fender Eliminator in, as well as the smoked integrated taillight. So let's get those swapped out. If your skill level is anything like mine, this is definitely a task to get to this point here, but we made it. That's good. Let's turn on our blinkers. Good, got a good blinker, another good blinker. Brake is popping. Now it's time to do the exhaust. We start with putting the header in. And then after the header, we have to attach the slip tube into the header, which is what I have in my hand. And that is going to be held together with this band clamp. Once that's all together, we have to now put the O2 sensor into that little hole in the slip tube. So it comes with that little like bolt nut, I don't know what you call it, but it has a little O-ring on it. You make sure you have the O-ring on there, okay? If you follow the directions, you should be good, but just in case, the O-ring goes on there. You twist the spacer inside the slip tube, and then the O2 sensor goes inside of that spacer. We cannot forget our swivel hooks, because those are what help us connect the actual muffler. And then up top there, we have the exhaust bolts. Yep. Integrated smoke tail light. Fender Eliminator on there. Of course, we got our frame sliders. Now, these are the Shoguns. I really would like the GTYRs right there. We go down, we got our case protectors. Our crankcase protectors, phone case. It's a pretty neat little device. My Domo Coons breaking down on there. That chrome windscreen. And then, of course, we got Domo back here. The Two Brothers exhaust cracking. All the mods that I personally DIY'd on this bike. If DIYing any of those same mods and you ran into some challenges, just reach out to me in the comments. 9 times out of 10, I probably ran into it myself. My skill level's not there. I actually followed other guys' how-to videos, and they're the ones that got me through it. Right now, the bike is out at turn 13. If you have any questions about dyno tuning or something like that, let me know in the comments too, because when I interview him and talk to him about it, I can make sure that your concerns come up as well. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next video, all right? Peace.